The country program document articulates UNFPA's contribution to achieving national priorities outlined in the Country Analysis and Cooperation Framework and aligned with the UNFPA Transformative Results and ICPD agenda. It details the strategic approach and interventions for achieving envisioned results and provides information on program management, monitoring and evaluation, risk management, implementation arrangements, and proposed use of resource estimates. The CPD is a UNFPA's accountability instrument with the government, executive board, and target population. The CPD is also a critical tool for resource mobilization, advocacy, policy dialogue, and partnerships for accelerating the 3 zeros. The entire CPD process typically takes 1 year before it is approved by the executive board. There are 5 steps to the approval process. Step 1, analytical and evidence gathering. Step 2, CPD development. Step 3, reviews, quality assurance, and internal approval. Step 4, submission and editing. Step 5, executive board review and approval. The country office must conduct several analytical evidence gathering exercises and inclusive consultations with the national government, civil society, implementing partners, the target population, and other UN agencies to inform the country program's strategic approach and priorities. The evaluative evidence and key analysis include the following: gender analysis, population analysis, stakeholder analysis, GBV analysis, LNOB analysis, meta-analysis of thematic areas, desk reviews, investment case. It is also important to consider country program evaluation, corporate evaluations or sub-regional data, and the lessons learned from the previous evaluation to inform the program design. Each office needs to also consider what analysis already exists within the organization and what is a priority, feasible, and practical. This extensive analytical work should feed into the National Development Plans, CCA, and the CF. After the analytical work and the CCA is near completion, the country office must initiate a regional and then the global strategic dialogue. A white paper should be prepared to engage with senior management. The strategic dialogue is an opportunity to discuss the corporate vision, direction, objectives, strategy, and results-related expectations before a country office develops a new program. The dialogue could be conceived as A, a strategic moment of reflection on the progress achieved, B, space for innovation and big ideas for a new program are co-created, or C, an interactive brainstorming session. Next, the office needs to start building on the high-level vision. The program must be guided by key programming principles such as leaving no one behind, the human rights-based approach, gender equality, and women's empowerment. The program must also be developed through a robust theory of change process, applying the critical steps of unpacking the core problems and identifying root causes, exploring innovative solutions, and conducting a proper prioritization process involving all the stakeholders. The CPD must show A, a clear rationale for the program, B, the critical priorities to be addressed over the program cycle, and C, strategies for realizing the program. Lastly, the CPD includes the Results and Resources Framework, RRF. Be sure that the baselines and targets are based on well-documented monitoring processes. The indicators must also show the contributions to the CF, national priorities, and the strategic plan. Each output in the RRF must also include an estimate of financial resources from all funding sources. To determine the costing, the program costing tool was created, which estimates the cost of interventions and activities over the course of the program cycle. There are a lot of resources available to guide you, so please plan early. Plan for contingencies. Plan an approach to manage delays with the UNCT and engage with the regional office to achieve key milestones.